why I love YouTube. So that is why I'm here live here with Mr. KT, and he'll be asking me some few questions about YouTube, why I love YouTube. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to his channel to support him to make him grow. So um, without noise making and talking too much, Mr. KT, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right. So um, what do you have? What kind of question do you have about YouTube? You always ask so many questions about YouTube. So, what kind of questions do you have when it comes to YouTube?
Okay. Now, first and foremost, there are several mediums. There are several things that you can use to learn. When you have any question to ask the media space, sorry, the online space, you can go to Google. You can go to several other uh, uh, platforms. Why do you choose YouTube?
You know, well, why I choose YouTube? YouTube is very easy, and YouTube can give you opportunity to express yourself, and YouTube can give you that space where you can give what you have. And YouTube can help you to make money easily without stressing you. Because some other platforms, like let's say going to some other countries, you are not eligible to make money. There are selected countries that you can make money online in some other platform. But when it comes to YouTube, wherever you are, you can easily make money on YouTube without wherever you are, you can make money on YouTube. That's one of the best thing I love about YouTube. You know, treating people equally wherever they are where you come from. If you're in the village, once you have internet, you make money on YouTube.
Okay, well, that's wonderful. So I know that making money on YouTube is one of the most discussed topics on YouTube. Now, talking about making money on YouTube, how do you make money on YouTube? Now, for now, my interest is like for Facebook, you have Facebook page, and then you have Facebook account. Is there something you need to do on YouTube to is there a type of account or something you need to have? Because everybody that has an email can have a YouTube something. So what do you need to have to begin to create content to make money?
All right, so it's very simple and easy. Making money on YouTube, first of all, you first of all needs to create a YouTube channel. All right. When you create a YouTube channel, that was the first thing. The second thing, you you give your channel name, the kind of name you want to do, and then the third thing I would say, you need to have your niche. When you are coming on YouTube, this is the question you need to ask yourself. What am I coming on YouTube to do? Am I coming on YouTube to just make some noise and go? Who are you coming on YouTube to answer their questions? Because YouTube is one of the most search engine platform that where people come and search for a lot of things. So what are you coming to offer? Are you coming to watch or you are coming to give? So when you come, you have this question on the back of your mind. Then from there, you create a YouTube channel. Then there are requirements that YouTube have that you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour before you be monetized. That is the first step. When you have this first step, you're on your way to make you're on your way to make money on YouTube. So when you have the first step, 1,000 watch hour, sorry, 4,000 watch hour, and 1,000 subscribers, you are just on your way. Then by the time you finish that, then from there YouTube will send you a message. At this point, you are eligible for monetization. So once you're eligible for monetization, that's when YouTube will require of you to create an Access account where all the adverts that will be playing on your videos, you'll be you'll be getting some commission from that. So that's the way. That's the road of making huge money on YouTube. And YouTube make it simple for everybody, every content creator out there, for them to be able to access their channel where you have access to control what you want. And when you come to YouTube, they give you that free access. Now, once you create your channel, you need to go back to your country, wherever you are, create a dollar account. And some of us, we're in a country where we don't use dollar. So you first of all need to create a dollar account before you have to um, get paid from YouTube. YouTube cannot pay you in your local currency. Those of you that have dollar accounts where you're using dollar in your country, and that's good for you. But some of us where you don't have dollar account, you have to they can never pay you your local currency. You need to create a dollar account where your money will be paid. And another thing is that some people when they are advertising, okay, maybe let me leave here so that you can have ask another question so that I will continue. I feel like saying a lot.
And I know that when it comes to YouTube, you have a lot of answers to give to any kind of question at all. But now, um, you have spoken about the type of, I mean, creating a YouTube page, getting it monetized. I mean, so now let's talk about the content. You earlier said you have to decide on your niche. When you have decided, first and foremost, creating videos, creating the content to post. Many times people sit back that, okay, I don't have a camera, I don't have this, I don't have that. Okay, so let me wait till I have a camera. Just yesterday, someone met me that he wants to start something, but camera is expensive, this and that. And so, how are you able to do it?
Okay, your voice was seasoned, so I don't hear you the last one, but I think you said, can you just the last part, just the last part.
Is um do you need expensive gadgets to begin to create content to post on YouTube?
All right. Okay, thank you. Content creating, they have made it easy for us. We have access to our mobile phones and so many things that all packaged in one. Do you get? I I made a video. Oh, I made a video. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So I made a video about a Lekon beach. That beach in Lagos is like most of the one of the most dirtiest beach in Lagos. And if you look at my video down below, you see the video. And I shot the video with my phone. All right. So if you have your phone, you'll be able to create wonderful and good content with your phone. You don't need to buy expensive gear. If you have the money to buy expensive gear, you can go ahead and buy. Or if you don't have, use your mobile phone. Once you have the camera, you have the video. But one thing I can assure you, if you are using your mobile phone to shoot a content on YouTube, what you need to do, you need to shoot on a high quality. Now, this video that I'm talking about, I used my iPhone XR to shoot. I When I was watching the video on the big screen, like let's say the 50 inches television, and I still saw the quality. The video was clear and sharp. I was happy. Now, if you have your phone, take your phone, go there and record it, edit it, and post it. Now, you don't need to wait till you become better before you start posting video on YouTube. It's a progress. When you start like a gradual process, you are moving, you are moving, you are moving, you are moving. Before you know, you are there. Because some of us we started like a joke, and we are making progress every day. If you don't create video, you don't know whether you have made a mistake. It's when you create, you know that you have made a mistake. So please get your phone and go out there and shoot. And you mentioned something about niche. Everybody has a niche. You have a strength where you are on YouTube, what you need to do on YouTube. Coming on YouTube, not just to come and be shooting random video and people don't know where you belong. Every channel on YouTube has a community. In this channel, I started creating local content, promoting the culture from my state. At the point I said and discovered myself that I have to move on, I have to add some things to this channel. So that's why I started traveling, doing traveling videos and showing the beauty of Nigeria, Africa, and all of that. So it's a gradual process. So when you start, don't just be creating different content, dance video, singing video, how to do this, how to do this. Just get who is your audience.
Let me add a little my experience. I think it will help somebody. Um, when I started creating content, I didn't have a camera, of course, and I didn't have a good phone. And what I used to do was that I used to borrow. you know, I would go. My friend had a phone that had a good camera, so I would go borrow his phone and do a video and then post. And God helped me. I got a better phone, and I've stopped borrowing from him. In fact, if he wants to do a video now, he will need to come and borrow from me. So, so, like he was saying, you don't need to wait till you have the best of gadgets. You you have to start from somewhere, right? It's there's always a starting point. Okay, now you have you have you have done a video, you have probably edited a video. Now let's talk about the posting. Some people say it's better to post in the morning. Some people say it's better to post in the afternoon. Some people say it's better to post in the evening. When is it better to make a post on YouTube?
Well, like I said, um, when creating content on YouTube, to me, it depends on the kind of content you are creating. Who are your audience? All right. Now, YouTube is global. YouTube does not have the same time. Now, it's afternoon in Nigeria. If you go to US, probably maybe they are 12 evening or around 9 a.m. or 6 a.m. or something like that. If you go to another country, they are in their midnight. You understand? If you go to some
Yeah,
other
yeah,
country, they are just waking up. So YouTube is a global space. Now, if I'm in Nigeria and all my subscribers that are in Nigeria, I know that my video should be uploaded where people are awake in Nigeria. And let's say from 9 to even 6 p.m. I can upload my video. You understand? Because I'm in
yeah,
Nigeria.
yeah,
Now, but the kind of content I create is not only consumed by Nigerians, it's consumed by people around the world. So now, looking at the people around the world, what kind of content do they consume? What kind of content are you delivering to them? So to me, I don't have specific time I post my video. Sometimes I post my videos midnight. I post my videos in the morning. Like today, I posted my video, the one I traveled from Lagos midnight, from Lagos from Lagos to Benue State. Throughout the night, we were on the road. I posted a video today. I think the night should be around 2 hours ago. You understand? As I posted this video, people are watching. Now, some people say, okay, wait till midnight, wait till so time. For me, I don't have specific time, but it depends who who is your audience. If Nigerians are your audience, you know when to upload your video so that you're not going to upload your video when people are busy sleeping. That's when you're going to upload your video. But if you have it, like I said, YouTube is a global thing, or it's a global village where everybody comes to YouTube. Now, if you start a video traveling a midnight journey, spending 15 hours on the road, probably my video will just jump and then fall into that search. Maybe you are searching from America, Asia, or Zimbabwe, or South Africa, or anywhere you are searching the video. My own will just jump into your search. Do you get?
yeah.
So to me, it depends on who you are. have on your own YouTube analysis, because the beautiful thing about YouTube, YouTube shows you who is watching your videos. They don't, you don't need to stress yourself. Go to your, if you have YouTube, download YouTube Studio, then it will show you where and how people are watching your videos, and it will show you the kind of people are watching your video, the kind of content people are watching, your subscribers. YouTube will show you the kind of content your subscribers are watching. So with this, it helps you to create a good video so that you, it will attract more people of that kind. Now, one thing I must say, you must not get everybody on YouTube. You must not get everybody on YouTube.
Mm,
If
yeah.
if you are coming on YouTube around, say, I must have everybody. No, you'll be one of, because your content, I may like it. This what we're doing here is not everybody that is watching this content because they are not interested. So people come to YouTube on what they are looking for. Some people are watching this video because they want to develop, they want to see how they can grow on their YouTube channel. Like you now, you're just starting, you don't have enough subscribers. So guys, please, as you're watching, please subscribe to his YouTube channel so they can see wonderful reviews and some technical stuff on his video. You understand? So please subscribe to his YouTube channel. So, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel again. So to me, that is that. All right.
Okay. Okay. So still talking about the posting.
If you
If
want
you want
to,
to be posting, do you post every day? Do you post how do you post? What's the post on YouTube? Should you be posting every day? I mean, I want my content to go out. Should you be posting every day?
all right. So talking about posting, posting is to me, I don't post every day, because posting every day, if you have the strength, if you have the content, all right, you can post every day. But if you don't have the content that you started and you are posting every day, you won't out. That is why YouTube has introduced YouTube Shorts. All right, when you are preparing for big project on your YouTube, by then you create short videos to be posting, because that's why YouTube Short is very important, and it's part of the way to grow your channel. All right. Now, posting to me, I post like once a week, but shorts, I post shorts like almost every day. If I don't post every day, I post like almost every day. That's how I post my YouTube short. Now, for beginners, if you have the content, you can post every day. If you have, you can post. And if you have the strength, you can post every day. Some people post like 3 videos a day. Some people post like
Wow.
4 a day.
Wow.
But for me, I feel like, well, if I post one video a week, it's fine. But some people post like once in a month. So it depends on how the kind of videos you have, the kind of content you have, then that will determine your posting and the kind of your strength. Because you cannot start something that you cannot finish. If you start posting every day and if you don't keep up to that energy, you feel like, oh, I'm tired of YouTube. I don't want to do this anymore. It's stressing me. So for you to save the stress, I have a group where I teach people about YouTube. I tell them that if you are posting videos, do not post videos every day so that you don't get tired. Yes, especially when you are a beginner. Because some of us we need to create video, pile them up, and then start posting one after another. So to me, at least post once a week, but create shorts. Short is where you can just go, remove your phone, and create and then post. As simple as ABC. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All
So,
right. So um
still talking
still
about
talking
this,
about the posting.
I
I
know
know
for
for
sure
sure
that
that you know
posting is
posting is
one thing,
one thing,
having
having
people to
people to
watch
watch is
is
another
another.
thing.
I
Now
know
I
that
know that there are certain things that you need to do
when you are
when you are
posting,
posting
I will
that will
increase
increase
the
the
possibility of
possibility of your video getting views.
what are
What
those
are those things that you need to do to increase the chances of your video getting views?
All right. So, like I said before, I told you before, when you are coming on YouTube, you ask yourself, who are your audience? What is your niche? Who are you trying to reach out to? Because if you have a video, now if somebody is coming to YouTube, why do people love YouTube? Why I love YouTube? Why do you love YouTube? You will see this video will pop up and you will see it. Now, if you are creating video, if you don't have a topic that people are searching, before you title your video, go to Google. This is a secret. Before you title any of your video or before you create a video, go to Google, ask the kind of topic that comes to your mind. You'll see the kind of question people are asking about this particular thing that you want to do. Now from there you can pick your topic from there and then bring it to YouTube and upload. Now when you do that, when people come, when people come, they will see, okay, this person has this video. Once they search, they will find you. Now, if just imagine I said how to make money on YouTube, then I go on Google and I search how to make money on YouTube. When searching, then I come back, I see people will ask different ways of making money on YouTube. Now, from this question that people are asking, you pick as your topic, then you bring it and then add to what you want to discuss. Create your video. Once you post it, boom. When people search how to make money on YouTube, the next thing your video is there. So you don't just make title and then come and post on it. Do a research and know what people are looking for. Then you are there to answer them. And once your video is available, there's no magic about it. When people search about you and then find your video, you see. And one thing that YouTube has done, YouTube will tell you this is what people are searching. And most of the viewers they came from search. Most of your viewers they came from this so place. That's to give you an idea how people are searching your content. Now, you need to create searchable content. Hmm? You don't just need to come and just create anything. There's nothing new on this planet. So if you want to invent your own style of your, let's say not own style, you want to invent your own video, like okay, this is my idea. It's good, but are people searching that particular idea? That's the one thing you need to ask yourself. But you need to create something that people are looking for. Don't create something that people are not looking for. Because people come to YouTube to find answers. People come to Google to find answers. So now, are you the answer they are looking for? At first, you have to be that answer people are looking for. With this, you get views. Another thing is that quality videos, good videos with sound, good videos with good sound quality attract. And another thing is that you need to your thumbnail, attend to your thumbnail to bring people to watch your videos. Now, maybe a lot of people who are watching us they came to watch us because of the thumbnail that we create on this video. It attracts them. Human beings, we love beautiful things. When we see beautiful things, we are attracted to it. So, to me, it's not just because of creating videos. Who are you trying to reach out, and why are you creating this video? Let your search be under people's answer. Create Once you create searchable content, people will find you and watch your videos. Okay.
Okay,
What is
what is what is
hashtag
hashtag
and how
and
does
how
it
does it
affect
affect
uh,
uh, view?
how does it actually
How does it
increase
increase views,
or how does
or
it
how does it increase the chances of a
increase.
video getting views?
Okay, so hashtags they're a particular like you know hashtag on all different social media. So hashtag when people search about that, then on that hashtag your video too can come with it. Now, YouTube call it tag. Mm? When you're uploading your videos, after going to description, you describe your videos, then you put some hashtag there. Now, this what they call tag. YouTube call it keynote. Is it keynote or key? Yeah, I think it's keynote. Now, those tags, there is a place below. When you change, when you go there, you change, you put all those keynotes. When people search, Google will just bring it. A lot of people don't know that. Now, when you are posting your video, you need to know the kind of category where your video belongs. You need to set that. So you don't just come and post video. Then you post traveling video. Your traveling video will go and be under entertainment or under sports. You need to get check that category and then change it on travel so that when people search about travel video, your video will be among them. Now, YouTube call that thing tag. That is a keynote. Now you come, you say, okay, how to make money. You say how to make money. You click it, it will enter. 7 ways of making money, 5 ways of making money. How to become rich on YouTube. All those things are keynotes because when people search, they find you. That's why I said when you before you create a content, you need to go and do a research and find out what are people creating, what are people looking for. Then you bring that into your you bring that into your tags. You put them inside. Once they search, YouTube will go and the engine will go and bring it and then present your content for people to watch. These are the secrets.
Okay. All right. Thank you so far. Um, for the people who may just be joining us, uh, we are discussing what the topic is: why you love YouTube, and we have spoken for a while now. And now, now talking about the hashtag, I just want to add something to what he said. You know, the one of the mistakes some people make is to use very broad hashtags, the ones that are very big. You know, you are doing comedy, and all your hashtags are laugh, funny, and a thousand, and many people are using that hashtag. People have many followers, sorry, subscribers. And so if somebody is searching for funny videos, the people who the algorithm favors them, who have so many views and subscribers, they are the ones that YouTube will suggest their videos to the people searching. So you need to be very specific. Like the case he mentioned, travel. You're doing a travel video. Instead of doing, you need to be specific, like travel, journey, instead of using very big and broad hashtag that has too many videos involved. Now, another thing I would like you to talk about is policies. I know that YouTube can be very crazy with their policies. What are the do's on YouTube? I know things that you can do, and you like we Nigerians will say thunder. Things that you do and thunder will fire you on YouTube.
All right. So well, that's the best thing I love about YouTube. You know, when you YouTube want everybody to enjoy the revenue from their content. All right, that's the best thing. And it's so painful when you create a content that somebody maybe you create your content and I have just few views. Imagine the video I did. I traveled from Lagos to Abuja, Lagos to Benue, or the video I did. I went to Elekon. Now somebody takes this video from me and do some small touches and then creates the video, and then from there you are making thousands of dollars on that video. Why I was just why I got just some cents on that video. When you look at that, you feel so bad and you are not happy at all because that's what you are expecting. So when YouTube look at that, they feel okay, now this is what I need to do to those people. And for me to let people to enjoy what they did not suffer for. Eh? That they are eating the fruit from this label and this is not their label. They're eating somebody's else's fruit. So YouTube bring all those policies to help content creators to have confidence on YouTube and to feel free when they produce their content. Because imagine you just wash your car and you want to take it somewhere, and then a car that you just washed and somebody just came and then picked this car and then start running with it, and then it's carrying people on the road, making money, bragging that this is my car, this is my car. You not feel happy. So to me, I'm so happy about the YouTube to be serious about content creation, not just depending on, because anytime YouTube does that or did that, it helps people to sit up and create their content. But when they will leave you to use other people's content, it makes people lazy. And all the creators on YouTube, they are not lazy people. If you are a lazy content creator, please do not come to YouTube. YouTube is not a place for you because YouTube is a serious business, people. Yeah, and it wants all the authors or all the users of YouTube to create their own original content. And when you create your own original content, you are satisfied. Whether it does not look good or look whatever how it looks, you are satisfied. And YouTube wants everybody to create their own content. That's why they are so conscious about copyright issues when you create content that is not yours. You know, they are so passionate about that. And I love that YouTube, thumbs up. YouTube, if you can hear this, thumbs up. You are doing well.
Okay, I got YouTube pays. You know, decide on your niche, create original content, post as often as possible, but not so often that you run out of uh, out of content. Uh, Today, it has been me, Aka Kete. I am a producer. I'm an editor. I am also a tutor. And today we are here with Akile Shimatale Double Grace, CEO of Benue Family TV. And we have had a nice time. We will be doing a lot more together. And you can join us anytime we are live. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to his channel, follow us, and we we promise you we will give you the best. This is so much we can do today. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
All right, bye bye. Thank you so much for having me here. God bless you, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye. Subscribe. All right. Thank you so much. Yeah. All right.